Welcome to our Python 2026 series on data visualization. In this video, we will master the two most popular libraries in the Python ecosystem, Matplotlib and Seaborn. By the end, you will know exactly how to turn raw data into meaningful visual insights. First, why do we even need data visualization? Simply put, raw numbers are overwhelming. Visualizations allow us to instantly spot patterns, trends, and outliers that would remain hidden in a spreadsheet. It is about telling a clear story with your data. We start with Matplotlib. This is the grandfather of Python plotting. It provides low-level control over every single pixel of your chart. While it can be verbose, it is incredibly flexible and serves as the foundation for many other libraries. Here is how simple it is to create a basic line chart. We import the Matplotlib module, define our X and Y data lists, and call the plot function. Finally, the show function displays our creation. It is that straightforward to get started. A basic chart is not enough. You need context. Matplotlib lets you easily add titles, axis labels, legends, and grid lines. These elements are crucial for making your charts professional and easy to understand for your audience. Now, let us introduce Seaborn. Think of Seaborn as an upgrade to Matplotlib. It is designed specifically for statistical data visualization. It comes with beautiful default styles and color palettes that look great instantly. The biggest advantage of Seaborn is its integration with Pandas data frames. You can pass your data directly and map columns to visual elements like color and size with a single line of code. It handles the complex statistical calculations for you automatically. Seaborn shines with complex plots. You can create distribution plots to understand data spread, scatter plots to see relationships, and heat maps to visualize correlation matrices. Doing this in Matplotlib would require dozens of lines of code. So, which one should you use? Use Matplotlib when you need granular control and are building something custom. Use Seaborn when you want to explore data quickly and create attractive statistical charts with minimal effort. They work best when used together. Before you go, remember these best practices. Keep your charts simple and free of clutter. Always label your axes so viewers know what they are looking at. Choose the right chart type for your data and be intentional with your color choices. To recap, Matplotlib is your tool for control, and Seaborn is your tool for speed and beauty. Mastering both will make you a powerful data storyteller. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will explore interactive charts with Plotly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.